Hello, my name is Ryan McClain with Ready Seal, getting ready to stain this fence today. It's 35 degrees outside here looking at my phone. We're in Plano, Texas. It doesn't really matter what the temperature is. We're going to be able to use Ready Seal in any temperature. If we were using any other product out there, we wouldn't be working today because it has temperature restrictions. So let's get started. You can use anything to apply Ready Seal. You could use a brush, a roller, a pump-up garden sprayer, airless sprayer. It doesn't really matter how you get it on the wood. This is a Titan sprayer. This is a sprayer we're going to be using today. Makes the job go really fast. Spray it on, it's going to run down, level out, blend in perfect for us. A lot of questions we get is with Ready Seals, what size tip to run in the airless sprayer. And just to let you guys know, it doesn't matter what size tip you use. We have all types of different tip choices. You can use any of them. There's, you got all kinds of numbers on here, 519, 515, 213. Most of the time I used like a 517. It just matters of what kind of pattern that you're going to get on it, but you can use any tip size, just to let you know. So what you see with Ready Seal, it saves contractors a tremendous amount of labor time. This was a 6-foot section of fence and really did it within a couple of minutes. You notice he can do his rails first, do the top and the bottom of the rails. He can come back in and fill the middle. And again, all this product's gonna run down, level out, and blend in perfect for you every time. So when you're working with Ready Seal, if you get it on the railings of the post rails, it really doesn't matter. You can come back in and wipe them down. As soon as you're done, you could actually do the entire job and come back and wipe them out. But they don't. Ready Seal is not as tacky or sticky product, so it'll literally wipe right off your rail systems. Anything metal, decorative pieces, or whatever. We just stained this section about 10 minutes ago. Wanted to show you guys that Ready Seal can get wet within minutes after the application. So if you do a job in the morning and it starts to rain on you as a contractor, it's not going to mess up the job.
For more videos and tips like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to thipro.com.